Buenas noches, les voy a presentar mi cédula. Okay. Hello, my name is Esneida Ramirez Barco. I am from in Colombia. I am from in the moment in the Dorada City. I live in Dorada City. I am 34 years old. I am married in the Carlos Gutierrez Borja. And you 20 years old. I am mother in the beautiful daughter in the 7 years old. I am a student. I am secretary en la Clínica La Paz. Has 30 years old. I like my time friends in the celebration in familia, in the food in familia, in the student, in the present, in the father and the mother and the daughter, in the family, in the plate, in the football. I am in time friends, in the travel, in the look and rivers, in the beach, in the cities, in the places touristic, in the places tourist, in the river Bailongo, beautiful, and the feet in the Rio Bailongo, and the touch in the Rio Bailongo. Usually in the people, in the travel, in the zona refrescante, in the river Magdalena, and you look beautiful. In the present, La Dorada City, beautiful. In the church, Nuestra Señora, la catedral de Nuestra Señora del Carmen. In the typical foods in the Dorada City, la mojarra, el bagre, el pez, el sancocho, and the food, delicious. And the celebration in the Dorada City, especially in the Carnaval del Río y el Sol. In a moment in celebration in the Dorada City. In celebration and the people in the Dorada City 20 and the children. El Día de la Independencia. The city activities in the town, in the celebration in families, food delicious, in the travel, in the church, en el río La Miel, in the church, en el río La Miel. Muchas gracias, esta es mi presentación en inglés, espero que les haya gustado. Feliz noche.